Welcome to Frog Furnishings, an assembly guidance for our 4-foot sport bench. The same steps can be followed for the 6-foot and 8-foot sport bench, the only difference being the 6-foot bench has 3 bases and the 8-foot bench has 4 bases. Be sure to install your bench on a flat and level surface, preferably on concrete, as uneven ground can cause the bench to bend and warp over time. Unpack the content of your container box and ensure all 5 pieces are included: 2 bases, 1 bench slat, 2 bullnose bench slats, and 10 hex screws and 10 flat washers. Please read the assembly instructions and follow all directions. Recommended tools for assembly are a power driver with a 7/16 socket and a tape measure. Begin with both base pieces. Note the 2 1-2 preset screw holes on the top of each base. Set each base approximately 2.5 feet apart. Next, grab one of the bullnose slats. Note the bullnose slat has 2 pre-drilled holes at each end and 1 rounded side. Place the rounded edge of the slat as an outside edge of the seating area. Align the pre-drilled holes in the slat with the pre-drilled holes in each seat base. Place a washer in both of the 2 pre-drilled holes of the slat and feed a hex screw through each washer and into the slat. Feed the screw all the way through the slat until it extends through the bottom. You may want to use your power driver to extend the screws through the other side. Ensure each screw aligns with the pre-drilled holes in the base. With your power driver, screw each hex screw into the pre-drilled holes in the base. We recommend using a partner to help stabilize the slat while you set each screw. Alternate between each screw as you work to fully insert them into the base. Ensure each screw is fully set, creating a flush finish between the slat and the base. Do the same for the other end of the slat. Insert the 2 washers, then feed 2 hex screws through each of the pre-drilled holes of the slat. Once the screws extend through the other side, align them with the pre-drilled holes in the base. Using a partner to support the slat, alternate screwing each hex screw. Ensure each screw is fully set, providing a flush finish between the base and the slat. Now grab the center slat. The center slat is notable by the single pre-drilled hole in each end. Place the center slat next to the bullnose slat you just attached, and install it using the same technique as the bullnose slat, first placing a washer in the hole before inserting the hex screw. Ensure the hex screw extends through the other side of the slat and aligns with the single pre-drilled hole in the seat base. Tighten each hex screw fully for a flush seal. Now grab the final bullnose slat and place it next to the center slat with the rounded bullnose edge facing outward. Once again, place the washers in each of the preset holes of the slat. Place the hex screws through the washer and insert the screws until they extend to the other side. Place the extended screws in the pre-drilled holes of the bench base. Using your power driver, screw each hex screw into the base, alternating between each screw. Tighten each hex screw fully for a flush seal. Repeat the process at the other end of the slat until you have a flush seal there as well. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings 4-foot sport bench.